Hello, I am Jimmy King, your pal and creator of this YouTube channel. And this windstorm, I enjoy it. So, it's tent correctly is it's cold out, and I don't really care. So, I enjoy this weather. So, we like to stay warm. This windstorm helps me out. So, well, there is two very special videos that's coming. Like one in springtime, and the other one is St. Patrick's Day, and for next week. So beware for that. So, well, I have to open my door, and let's see. Have to start with my day. That is my whole part with my whole stories going on. So, hi, sweetheart. Good morning. It's windy outside. It feels calm. Are you eating, Taylor? Hi. Who's a good boy? Smile. Look at the camera. Say cheese. Yes. All right. Okay. I have to lock my door again, and I have to subscribe to Hastings College workers, like my friends, to reach out with me and to they like to subscribe me to my YouTube channel under my account. Links in the description below as well. So, I am a very good genius, and well, that is really perfect for me. So I'm still waiting for new subscriber to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So some people, they did already, so I'm still waiting for adding new people to subscribe to me. So, Gamer of Chicago, that's where I'm at right now, no sleeve shirt. And don't forget to keep it rigid and stay lit.